I shot the third part last night and I posted about it on my Instagram. And I was like, okay, इसी को डाल दूंगी. But then I was just not happy with what I shot. So I woke up 30 minutes ago. It's 7 in the morning and I'm going to reshoot the third part again just so that it can be more aligned with my authentic version. Okay. That said, if it were up to me, this video would be 100 hours long so that I could tell you exactly what I was thinking and exactly what I was feeling every nanosecond of the last 5 years that I've not been posting on YouTube regularly and I've not been talking to you properly. But that's not possible because for some weird reason, the third part, which starts in 2023, up until 2025, I don't remember a lot. I only remember like milestone events that happened in life, which is crazy. Psychology students, please hit me up and tell me why that actually happens. Like, why do I remember things from the time when crazy things were happening, 2021 and 2022, but I don't have a lot of memory of my healing years when I didn't do a lot of crazy things. I was just at home and healing. Please explain to me. I could also do that thing which I did for part 1 and part 2, which is to go back in my gallery, phone gallery, and look at the pictures. But the thing is, I was not taking a lot of pictures during 2023 and 2024. So I'll just give you milestone events, okay? Chronological order thoda sa weird ho sakta hai because I keep like hopping from, like, I'll talk about something that happened in 2023 and then I'll quickly talk about an anecdote about how that same thing played out in 2024 and then how that same habit of mine or like trait of mine changed or evolved in 2025 or stuff like that. So agar kahin bhi confusion ho, y'all can drop a comment or y'all can DM me or y'all can email me, whatever is your preferred method of communication. And I will answer that because I've decided that I'm going to do a very honest Q&A of the last 5 years, and just give you all answers to anything that I maybe missed out on telling you in this version, or I've missed out in the earlier two parts and you were curious to know. Please, no weird questions nahi answer karungi main. Okay, but anything that's well intended, and even if it's uncomfortable, but if it's well intended, I will try my absolute best to answer it honestly. So कहीं समझ ना आए तो you can comment, you can DM, all that stuff. Cool. All right, that said, also I'm really sorry that this part came late. मतलब 2 हफ्ता late आया ये third part because I got my period last week and I was just being a hater for no reason. Like an absolute hater, okay? Like I was looking at my analytics for the last video and I had some 50 likes and 2 dislikes. And I was like, is this my evil boss and his wife who doesn't know she's getting cheated on who disliked this video? Expose कर दूंगी expose, उनको कर दूंगी, इसको कर दूंगी, खुद को कर दूंगी. Then I really had to just, sit myself, baby, it's okay. I had to sit myself down and just center myself and be like, why are you making these story times? What is the point of it, Shalu? Why are you making it? Your channel is not monetized anymore. You're not making money off of it. Kulfu, it's okay, betu. It's fine. Okay? Like, what is the point of doing all of this? And then after sitting with that thought for like a day or two, I realized, okay, the only reason I'm doing this is so that I can cleanse myself off of all of this like dark energy and just get lighter so that I can progress in my creative journey that I so badly want to embark on, that I feel like will finally fix my soul. I don't know, I just want to do good shit. So despite the fact that this story time is not gonna have any names, no story time I ever make will ever have any names because my intention is not for y'all to find that person and shit on them. उससे किसी का फायदा नहीं होने वाला है. That's not the point. Although, like, very unfortunate if I mention something and everybody can recognize it's you. Like, come on, what does that say about you? But that's never my intention. I'm just doing it for me and also for like some people out there who will hear my story, not get any names, but be able to recognize, oh, मेरी life में भी एक ऐसा character exist करता है, this like weird narcissistic boss, or like this one weird friend who was secretly jealous of me and tried to ruin my life. And then, through my story, you all can tell what repercussions it could have if you don't stand up to characters like these in life, or don't stand up to yourself when you're doing harmful things to yourself like I was, as I told you in part 1 and 2, pop and shit. So you really gotta stand up to all of these things that life throws at you, and that's my only intent. So sorry, thoda late आया video, बहुत hater हो रही थी, so I was like, okay, let this period come and go and then I'm gonna make my video. Cool. And same disclaimer, don't, like, I take full accountability because I'm telling you, that's the key to getting through anything in life, just take full accountability. Of course, there are events that, like, there's a mass, I don't know, genocide. Like, how do you take accountability for that? But that I have different thoughts on that. Something I would love to talk to you all about, and interact with you all about in my podcast or something. So, yeah, that's that. Cool. Let's begin. Now, in 2023, when part three begins, by the way, in Feb, I left that Gurgaon house, right? There are three things I want to tell you very quickly. First, I was also doing lean, but it was not regular, like maybe twice a week type shit. And also, I still don't know what the right ratio is for lean. I don't know. My rapper boyfriend used to make it, and he was also super कंजूस, तो मुझे ज़्यादा अपना lean देता नहीं था. So like twice a week I'll have a little bit of lean. So I just wanted to be honest that lean was also in the picture. There were some other substances which were also in the picture, but they were rare that I don't need to mention it. So lean भी था picture में. Second चीज मुझे ये बतानी थी that in Feb I left that house, but in what's happening? Must have inhaled one of Kulfi's hairs. ये चला गया था मेरा blister, पता नहीं है वापस क्यों आ रहा है सुबह से जब से मैं उठी हूँ. कोई बात नहीं. Alright, I can brave through this. In January, I broke up with this rapper dude because I finally realized that there is no love in the picture. There was, at least from that side, there was only lust and convenience by and largely. So in January, I was like, bye bye. There is nothing to do here. You can get lost. So him and I are officially done in Jan. And in Jan, I also end up having this one very honest weekly catch up call with my then US manager, not the dotted line evil boss, my US manager. And I was very honest with her. I told her, listen, I'm in this new house. I've never lived outside Kutse. It's really impacting me. I don't think I told her I was doing Xanax, but I just, like, I was very honest with her, like as honest as I could be within a professional boundary. And she's the one who gave me some strength. She's like, what are you doing here? When you're clearly seeing that it's impacting your health, you need to go back home. You need to prioritize your health. You need to live with your parents so that you can get better. Like, what if you die? Okay? For what? For this job? Don't go back home. So that gave me a lot of strength. And that also gave me strength enough that जब मैं वापस आई घर in Feb, back to that Noida rented flat before we moved into our own place. When I came back to that rented flat and started living with my parents again, that one talk with my manager gave me strength that, like, for the next 3-4 months I didn't feel the need to show up when this weird evil dude would tell me, hey, show up to the office. Because she was super clear. She's like, if anybody tells you that you need to show up to the office when you have zero dependencies in the office, let me know, direct them to me. And this is back in 2023. Like, the office genuinely had not come up, at least for my team, for like this regulation to be in the office. This was just a weird, nobody in upper level management knew he was doing this. Okay. So वो सुन के मुझे काफ़ी strength मिला. So in any case, I'm back home now, okay? And I'm still using. This is hurting a lot. Why is this happening? कोई बात नहीं. When I come back home, so say if my usage, my pill popping level when I was in Gurgaon was 100, घर आके it reduced काफ़ी fast to 75. It didn't go very नीचे, but it reduced to 75 because now I'm living in the same house as my parents. I can't be like zonked out and behosh nahi reh sakti hu main pure din. But of course, I was so like I needed it so bad to feel okay and feel normal that it didn't go काफी नीचे. And also तब मेरे दिमाग में ये था भी नहीं that, you know, I need to get clean and like work on being a better person and just make myself happy by doing healthier things. ये सब नहीं था मेरे दिमाग में. When I left that house, the only thing that I had in my mind was I need to leave this house right now. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. I need to leave this house. Like, y'all, I don't wish that feeling on anybody. Also, टक 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 हो रहा है, मतलब कुल्फी का breakfast ready है. Yes, I खोल रही हूँ. 1 second. कल भी मेरे साथ यही हुआ था. कुल्फ़ी कुछ तो कर रही थी और फिर मुझे वीडियो बीच में कट करना पड़ा. ऑल्सो मैं एसी चला रही है, मुझे बहुत तेज़ गर्मी हो रही है. बाल बांध लेने चाहिए मुझे, बट स्टाइल कैसे दिखाऊंगी, ठीक है, कि मैं क्यूट हूँ. कहाँ थी मैं? हाँ, तो तब तक मेरे दिमाग में ये नहीं था कि ओ माय गॉड आई नीड टू बी अ बेटर पर्सन. नहीं, बस पेन रिलीव करना था तब, ठीक है. तो मैं घर आई वापस. एंड 75 हो गया, उसके बाद हर दिन आई फील लाइक माई consumption was going down, but it was going down in at such a slow rate. Like if it were 75, for the next whole week it would be 74.5. I don't know what scale this is, but it's just to show y'all that, like, okay, at Gurgaon, I was in my Gurgaon flat, I was at 100, and then as soon as I moved, it came here, and then उसके बाद बहुत धीरे 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 कम हो रहा था. तो साइड में कम हो रहा है, बट बहुत ही धीरे कम हो रहा है, ठीक है. And of course, I'm feeling bad because I've just broken up with this dude, but there is no heartbreak emotion. The negative emotions are coming out of guilt and shame of allowing a man like that into my life. Because cut to like April, May of 2023, after I've been back home for like what, 2.5, 3 months roughly, I find out that this dude is also talking, my rapper ex-boyfriend is also talking to like little girls, not underage girls because I don't have any proof of that, but little girls. Like he was, how old was he? 26, 27 at that point in time, and he was talking to girls that were 18, 19, just turned 18, 19. And like, you don't become an adult. Like 18 is a chotu baby. I can't explain it, but it just like that, like finding out that like वो खबर सुन के उड़ती उड़ती जो आई थी मेरे पास, which then I also found proof for, really like did a number on me. And a couple of other things also happened in the summer of 2023. So then May of 2023 became extremely dark again. Okay, quite dark. And luckily at that time I was with a therapist who, my second therapist, who was a great therapist, who I stayed with for like good chunk of time, like 4 years or so, okay, who had been with at that point for like almost a year, who told me something very honestly, okay, when I was going through that dark time again in May of 2023 after coming back. She was like, listen, so my first therapist diagnosed me with bipolar, okay, which I also posted about on my Instagram. And it's crazy that I even accepted that diagnosis, to be honest, guys, because I've studied psychology. I studied psychology not just in school, but also in college as my GE. So I know that you need to do a standardized test, and there has to be like, it has to be a fair test and all of those factors for it to be a valid diagnosis. But my first therapist, with no test, just said, yeah, you know what, I think you have severe bipolar disorder. And like an idiot, I took that diagnosis, I slapped it on my head, and I lived life according to that. Like, हाँ ये तो है मुझे, ये तो है मुझे. And that's why I called my first therapist a bitch. I was actually cringing, not cringing, but I was just like, why did I have to call her a bitch? Like what? उसको कभी नहीं पता लगेगा कि मैंने उसको ये बोला है, but मुझे बुरा लग रहा था. Why did I say that? But then I was thinking कि क्या हुआ क्या था, and this is what she did. And come on, man, like how can you not know the impact of your words? I've said very hurtful words to people too, but I don't know. कोई बात नहीं. In any case, my therapist told me that, listen, I've been with you for almost a year. I don't see any signs of bipolar, bro. And also, like the way that you tell me that she gave you this diagnosis, that's not really scientific, that's not valid. I would really urge you to go and get a proper diagnosis. So that's when, in the summer of 2023, I found this psychiatric clinic in Noida. It was run by the psychiatrist and his wife. His wife was a therapist, and they were both probably in their mid 50s, early to mid 50s. And I got really lucky with them, and I'll tell you why. Again, I went in for a diagnosis. So my therapist suggested that I do a test for ADHD, and one more thing which I'm forgetting now. But oh, okay, another anecdote. Okay, मुझे 2025 मतलब लास्ट ईयर से पहले बहुत गुस्सा आता था जब लोग ऐसे रैंडमली उठ के बोल देते थे ना, हाँ मुझे भी ADHD है, मुझे भी ADHD है, क्योंकि मैं थोड़ी क्वर्की हूँ. यू नो दैट टाइप ऑफ पीपल. मुझे बहुत गुस्सा आता था उन पे, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था ये मेरा लिव्ड एक्सपीरियंस है भाई. मतलब मैं मौत को छू के आई हूँ बिकॉज ऑफ दिस कंडीशन, एंड यू आर जस्ट मेकिंग मीम्स अबाउट इट, और जस्ट लाइक मेकिंग जोक्स ऑफ इट, और जस्ट बिकॉज लाइक यू हैव, आई डोंट नो, weird choices in life, you can't just put that on ADHD. But now, like in the last year, I've come to realize it's fine. A lot of people actually go get diagnosis just because they were exposed to the idea of ADHD or like all of these other disorders online. अगर वो कोई एक दो मीम नहीं देखते, ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि who would have never found out कि ऐसा कुछ exist भी करता है. you know. So now I have a lot of empathy for everybody on the spectrum, everybody on the spectrum of like life, of like people who do it through proper channels, like go to the proper doctors. Of course also लोग ऐसे भी हैं जिनके पास access नहीं है. It's not cheap, okay, to have access to all this shit. So I understand that, but मुझे पहले, क्योंकि मैं भी तो तब fucked up ही थी ना, like doing substance abuse never comes in a vacuum, guys, okay. That's what people don't realize. I was a horrible not horrible, but I was just like not thinking right in many other different sectors of my life, and this happened to be one of them. I used to get very mad at people. Now I don't care. Now I also don't actually believe in it, but we'll come to that later. For me, I don't believe in the DSM and all these disorders. For me, anybody else walks up to me and they tell me, listen, I have this, full empathy, full support, because who the fuck am I to say nahi nahi tum jo pain feel kar rahi ho wo real nahi. I'm nobody. I'm never going to do that. But for me, like, I know none of it is real. No, none of it is real, and it has helped me. Maybe I'll talk about it some other day in detail. बट होता ऐसा है कि मैं कुछ 9 या 10 हज़ार रुपए दे के और 3 दिन लगा के अपना ADHD टेस्ट करवाती हूँ. Now on day one, they made me do a lot of puzzles. Okay, pretty long. Some were pretty long, some were pretty short. But I was there for like a good 4 hours just doing puzzles. Okay, and it was kind of fun. Okay, to do that. And again, this is not scientific, so psychology students, if I'm giving out wrong information, please correct me on this. But I think the first phase of those tests was to test my like attention span and hyperactivity, क्योंकि वो इस टाइप के टेस्ट थे. मतलब बहुत सिंपल, जैसे बचपन में हम लोग पजल नहीं करते थे, ऐसे एक पाथ निकलेगा एक बहुत ही जम्बल्ड से उसमें, और आपको वो पाथ ढूंढ के एक एंड पॉइंट टू एंड पॉइंट जाना है. ऐसे ऐसे टाइप के पजल्स थे, छोटे और कुछ लंबे लंबे लंबे. ठीक है, कि लाइक मतलब क्रॉसवर्ड ढूंढना, क्रॉसवर्ड नहीं, क्या होता है, जम्बल लेटर्स होते हैं, उसमें वर्ड ढूंढना है, कितनी जल्दी कर सकते हो. सो एंड देन दे हैव अ वेरी स्टैंडर्डाइज्ड की फॉर इट, यू फॉल इन लाइक अ सर्टेन कैटेगरी, stuff like that. Okay, and then day 2 day 3 ऐसा कुछ था that they have to do an interview with somebody who is a primary caregiver, because a lot of these ADHD symptoms manifest in childhood, but it's मतलब नकार देते हैं उसको. नकारने को इंग्लिश में क्या कहते हैं? नकार देते हैं उसको. मैं ढूंढ के गूगल करके लिख दूंगी. बिकॉज लाइक हाँ बच्चे हैं, बच्चे तो हाइपर एक्टिव होंगे, विच इज़ ट्रू. लिसन, विच इज़ ट्रू, बिकॉज नाउ को छोड़ो, ठीक है, हो जाते हैं. ऑल्सो फीमेल्स, आई हैव रेड अ लॉट ऑफ रिसर्च दैट सेज दैट ADHD in female children is overlooked a lot more than it is with males, just because females tend to mask it. I don't think I was masking it ever, but I think I was masking my anxiety, at least when I was younger. So in any case, ऐसा ऐसा टेस्ट होता है, and what I find out in the test results is that I have traits of ADHD. I don't have full blown ADHD. Yes, guys, that's a thing. There's a spectrum of a disorder also. Don't just like take a disorder, slap it onto yourself, and then like just become a magnet for guilt and shame and all the negative sides. Even if you have ADHD, you have hyper focus, you have like a strong sense of justice. Although there's a fine line between black and white thinking and this. वहाँ पे भी नहीं जाएंगे हम. But yeah, man, like अपने मुंडी में मत घुसा लो बहुत ज़्यादा अपना diagnosis. So in any case, I have traits of ADHD. I don't have full blown ADHD, but what I do have, which I was not really super surprised, but I was surprised that this is the severity of it. I knew, but हाँ मुझे नहीं पता था कि इतना severe है. मुझे I have severe anxiety disorder. Okay, which I used to tell people in my life back in like, I don't know, 2017, 2018, listen, I think I have like some anxiety. And at that point, I used to post, I was like the woo person. So everybody was like, you have anxiety? That's not possible. And I just never was able to express to somebody that class में कुछ बोलने से पहले, although मैं हमेशा सबसे पहले बोलूँगी, but although मैं हमेशा like, you know, I'll be at the forefront of everything, but while I'm at the forefront of it, my heart is like duk, 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 duk. Does anybody out there like relate to what I'm saying? Like I was always like the kid, but I was always the kid with like my heart inside about to explode. I can't explain it. But हाँ ऐसा चल रहा था. So I have anxiety, which didn't surprise me, but it also surprised me in a way. And I was telling y'all why I got lucky. Okay, I got lucky because that summer, because it got really dark, that I wanted to again, that this doctor ended up also putting me on medication for my depression and my anxiety. I was put on Ventab 36XL, 37XL something for my depression, and my anti anxiety was Zapiz. Now, Zapiz is in the same class of medication as Xanax, what I was abusing, but the difference between Xanax is that Xanax is fast acting and it also wears off a lot faster. So, for people, एक्चुअली आई कैनॉट गिव यू इन्फॉर्मेशन कि किसको कौन सा कब प्रिस्क्राइब होता है, मुझे बस थोड़ा बहुत पता है दोनों के बारे में क्योंकि मैंने दोनों लिए हैं. Xanax is fast acting. Zap is in the same class. It's also a benzo, but it acts slower. Like it absorption का नहीं पता. It acts slower, and also the effects of it, the anti-anxiety effect of it, also lasts longer in your life, in your system and in your life. So my doctor ended up putting me on Zapiz and Ventab and some other like vitamin type of shit. Which, by the way, guys, take your vitamins. And honestly, सबसे अच्छा आप क्या कर सकते हो? Eat those fruits and vegetables that have those vitamins. Yes, this is great. Magnesium is great. This vitamin D is great. But you know what's better? Egg. मॉर्निंग सनलाइट. दिन की सनलाइट से कुछ नहीं होता है, ठीक है. मॉर्निंग सनलाइट. वैसे भी इंडिया में ना वो हमें प्रॉपर जो D3 मतलब डी विटामिन डी वाली सनलाइट होती है वो नहीं मिलती है. मैंने थोड़ा रिसर्च किया. सो ऑल ऑफ दिस इज गुड, बट हैविंग इट फ्रॉम द सोर्स. और क्या क्या इतने सारे फ्रूट्स हैं यार, मशरूम, मतलब बहुत कुछ है. Eat your vegetables, eat your fruits. That's first thing that will help you, I promise you. I may sound like an old hag. Hag is an auntie, right? Or like a slut, I don't know, whatever. I may sound like an old broken record because you'll hear me say this very often on this channel now, but I'm so glad that I realized the things that I did. Eat your fruits. But kahan thi main? He also gave me some vitamins. So now I'm put on medication. But the reason why I got lucky is because I feel like the minute he prescribed me these medicines, he wanted me to get off them. Like he didn't want me to get too dependent on them, which is a misconception when it comes to medication because a lot of these medications are very addictive. Of course, if there's something that's picking you up from the clutches of depression and anxiety, you always have that fear, right? When I stop, will I fall back? And that can happen if you do it irresponsibly. We'll come to that later in the story. But I got very lucky because this doctor himself realized and also made me realize the value of my power when it comes to my recovery journey. Why do I say that? Okay, this is the second misconception about like antidepressants and anti anxiety. थोड़ी देर AC बंद कर लेते हैं. नॉर्मल जो जनता होती है, ठीक है, जिनको कुछ एंग्जाइटी डिप्रेशन ये सब नहीं होता है, दे फंक्शन हियर. Imagine this is the baseline. This is zero, this is neutral, this is neither happy nor sad. This is the baseline. Depressed people or anxious people, whether acute or chronic, they perform somewhere over here below the baseline. This is the baseline for normal janta. Anxious people and depressed people perform here. Now what? I need to get Kulfi into the room. I'll be right back. Okay, forgot where I was. But the second misconception is that when you take antidepressants or anti anxiety, right after you pop it or like you've popped it for like 3 days, you should be a very happy person. है ना कुल्फी? ऐसे तो नहीं होता है. करेक्ट? आपको क्या कहना है ना? है ना? हाँ, ऐसे होता है. ठीक है. तो the thing is, because you're a depressed person, not you, बेटो, no. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है that immediately you'll become happy or something. What medication actually does is, if your general baseline is here, which is below the regular baseline, okay, as an anxious person or depressed person, you're here. What anti-anxiety and antidepressants really do is they lift you up to the baseline. You come here at zero. You're not in the minus field anymore. You're at zero. Okay, where regular janta is. Now, in order to reach here, where you feel feelings of happiness and joy and contentment and peace and all those happy, positive things, you need to put in the work. And that's what a lot of people forget. And when you're depressed, it's really hard to put in that work. When you're here, no matter how hard you try, you only come here to zero. So you don't feel that joy. But when you come to zero at the baseline, and then you put in efforts, you can absolutely take yourself there. At least that was my case. So During every checkup, this doctor would ask me, पहले तो okay, how are you feeling about the medication, कुछ effects हो रहे हैं कि नहीं. I would also take like very detailed notes because I don't know, it was fun. It was like, okay, I can discuss drugs with my doctor. um, तो मैं बहुत अच्छे notes लेके जाती थी, how it's making me feel, how motivated I'm feeling and stuff like that. And outside of that, he would always question. He would, like, the chunk of our appointments used to be, how much sunlight are you getting, कितने walks पे जा रही हो, how many friends are you talking to, or like, like positive things that you can actually all of that good stuff you can, how much sleep are you getting, that you can do, all of these little things you do to get here in life, guys. नहीं मिलता है ऐसी, खुद से नहीं मिल जाएगा. Okay, and I'm so glad I realized that. What I was saying अभी थोड़ी देर पहले, that the things that our parents used to say, less screen time, sleeping on time, getting ample sleep, eating on time, eating the right stuff, all of these are actual pillars to a healthy and happy life. आपको पता था? आप इसको नहीं पता था, कुल्फी को नहीं पता था, ठीक है. So I got very lucky first that I didn't die while I was popping like 17-18 Zans a day, 2 mg each. Second, I got very lucky with Second, I got very lucky with my parents, who were so caring, and my sister, who just like were so encouraging and were like, yes, you need to go to the doctor, yes, please go. There are people out there who like hit their kids uh, when the kids say मुझे therapy जाना है. Oh my god, I can't believe it. So much gratitude I have for where I'm at. For so long in my life, guys, I was like, मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है? And then once I like brought gratitude into the picture, it really changed. But in any case, I was lucky to get a good doctor. And then third thing, I got a good doctor. That's what's up. And fourth thing, I actually like, it worked out. It all worked out. But in any case, in 2023, I get put on medication and it's suiting me. ठीक है. Of course, ऐसा हो सकता है लोगों के साथ where like if the medication doesn't suit you, because listen, the same medication you give to two people, seemingly similar people, same age range, same everything. Hey, बेटू, don't do that. ठीक है. You can, but वो दो लोगों में एकदम completely different reaction हो सकता है. Something that's marketed as an antidepressant, उसका written side effect है depression. So I'm not saying that this theory of like you can make it better applies to everybody. Of course, there's treatment resistant depression, there are things like schizophrenia, there are things like multiple personalities, which like medication can only do so much. And like, even if I take off my medicine lens and I put on my spiritual lens and I look at these 3 4, Betu mama's shooting a video, if I look at like these 3 4 disorders that I just mentioned, schizo or ye sab, it's a completely different ball game, guys. Like, even baby, I'm doing something, no, you go to the balcony. देखो balcony में कोई आया है, check करो कौन है, देख जल्दी से देखो, कोई आ गया है balcony में. इतनी गंदी मम्मी हूँ ना, मैं उसको ऐसे बोल देती हूँ, ठीक है. तो yeah, all of these are like very different disorders, and उसके बारे में नहीं बात कर रही हूँ. But when I talk about like taking honest and like trying to make your life better through little things, primarily I'm talking about anxiety and depression, ठीक है. And I'm not talking about anybody, I'm just talking about my story, ठीक है. मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि हाँ भाई, मैं थोड़ा बहुत कुछ तो कर सकती हूँ to like make my life better. But to be honest, तब जब मेरी मेडिकेशन शुरू हुई थी, आई वाज जस्ट हैप्पी बिकॉज आई वाज फीलिंग कामर, अ लॉट कामर. लाइक माय मेंटल चैटर जस्ट कंप्लीटली स्टॉप्ड, गाइस. आई रिमेंबर टेक्स्टिंग दिस वन फ्रेंड. आई हैव नेवर हैड ऑडिटरी हेल्यूसिनेशंस लकीली, बट मेरे मेंटल थॉट्स ही इतने ज़्यादा कचा कचा कचा, मतलब मुझे अपनी आवाज़ सुनाई देगी, अपनी थॉट, मतलब सोचती जाऊँगी एंड इट्स again something I don't wish on anybody, but it just went quiet. And finally I was at baseline, and I didn't wake up every morning wanting to die, and I didn't wake up every morning just like crying, why am I still alive? No. um Another good thing that happened in 2023 is we moved to this house, by the way. Finally construction ho gaya is ghar ka, and then we moved here. And after that, yeah, I just like really worked on my sleep cycle, because I feel like Zappis and like, yeah, my medication was just perfect for me. Thank you so much, God, for helping me find a doctor who gave me the right medication. It really worked out. एक और चीज हुई थी, okay, and then I started feeling better, really good, not really good, but like better, way better than 2022 and initial months of 2023, okay. तो एक और चीज हुई थी 2023 में मेरे साथ, where I was like at this friend's house. I used to go to her place very frequently, but in 2023, 2022 and 2023, I started going to her place very often. Okay, she's like some 8 9 years older than me, and she's such a badass. Like at that point in time in life, at least I used to look up to her a lot. So one day कुछ भी होता था, कुछ भी upsetting होता था या कुछ बोर हो रही हूँ whatever, okay, I'm going to her house and I would just do sleepovers at her house a lot. She introduced me to anime and all also. Very cool person. To this day, I think she's super cool, super badass. So one day I'm like sleeping over at her place, we're just watching something and we're just talking. And she just randomly says something like, Shalu, she said that in English, I think. She was like, sometimes it just feels like, hey, don't take this the wrong way, but sometimes it just feels like you're posting things for attention. And that hit me like a truck, guys. Because obviously I was not on YouTube for the last, I don't know how many months. Like at least the last 10 months, almost a year, I had not posted anything on YouTube. And because I love yapping, right? I love talking. Okay. And this just feels like such a nice, true, honest way of talking. Yeah, everything is not one take. But so at that point in life, of course, I used to be under the influence, but उस चीज को side हटा के I used to love talking. So my thing was okay, अगर मैं long form नहीं post कर पा रही हूँ, at least let me post stuff on Instagram. So any thought I would have, 17 seconds later it would be on Instagram. Okay, 10 seconds later it would be on Instagram. I had no filter. And I understand why किसी को भी मेरी stories देख के लगेगा, oh my god, she's doing this for attention. But I couldn't care less about attention from anybody at that point. Because by like, I don't know, 2023, I was still like once in a while making 420 content, but so irregular. Like by that point in time, my like thing was not to make content or be popular, just like to stay in touch. I don't know, it was a weird thing. I was also not, I don't know what I was doing, but it was not for attention, which is why when this person who I looked up to, who's like 8 9 years older than me, said this, it hit me like a truck. And I know for a fact that if she had known this is the impact it would have, because you know what I did after that night, I deleted my, not deleted, I logged out of my Instagram and I deleted the app for the next like 8 months. 8 months I was not, the rest of 2023, because mid of 2023 में ये बात बोली गई थी मुझसे. And then like the initial few months of 2024, I remember, because in 2024 Jan or Feb, I went to a Himachal trip with this really good friend of mine from Bombay. Love you. So her and I went. It was a great trip. But I remember not being able to post anything because I was not on Instagram and not wanting to post anything. But we'll come to that later. But yeah, I mean, I look back and I think I know for a fact, like if she had known this is how it would affect me, she would not say it. She's been a cool figure in my life, and also she's given me a lot of like good advice in life regarding boys and a lot of other things. So like I cannot disregard all of the good she has done in my life also. But sometimes I wonder, and that's probably why I stopped hanging out a lot with her. Still look up to her, I really like her. But I wonder, like as a 32, she was 32 at that point, I think 32 31 maybe. As a 32 31 year old, how did you not know that somebody who's so fucked up in the head, because she's the one who like knew a lot about like how I've just gotten on medication and everything. She knew how mentally fragile I was. How could she say something like that to me? But I'm pretty sure discussion कुछ ऐसा ही हो रहा होगा, but मेरी गलती है कि मैं sensitive थी, not her fault. But in any case, I delete my Instagram. Now, this had two effects on me. First was very positive. Let's also acknowledge that, because now I'm on medication. Now I'm not popping pills anymore. Okay, हाँ, अभी तक मैंने पूरा बंद कर दिया है खुद से कुछ भी लेना. I only stick to what my doctor has given. The first like 5 6 months of taking medication, I also don't smoke any at all. Okay, which also helped I think in my journey. So like everything's tick tick tick. Must like 11 बजे तक सो जाती हूँ मैं. बढ़िया, bro. Like life's great. I'm working out. I'm not working out, but I'm like taking her on walks. Was I that year or no? In 2024, I started taking her on walks. Papa took over in 2023 when I was just started with medication. I was still like really sad. So that whole year, my father really stepped up and became the grandfather that she needed. Thank you so much, Papaji. And but everything else is like starting to get good. I'm not smoking weed anymore. I'm like taking my medication. I'm getting 8 to 9 hours of sleep every day, क्योंकि कुछ है नहीं, doom scroll करने के लिए कुछ है नहीं. There's no dumb like rap scene to like keep up on, no dumb like person to stalk. And I have a problem with the word stalk, by the way, to like keep obsessively looking at their profile. There's none of that bullshit chatter, which by the way guys, social media is rotting our brain, which is why now I've decided I'm just gonna post my shit and like not care about what anybody else is doing, except of course you're my friend and you have like a venture, then I will always support. But outside of that, no, I'm not letting that comparison seep into my brain. I'm not letting any of this like wokeness, that is also बाद में बताऊंगी. I'm not letting anything seep into my brain anymore, okay? But great time. So the first effect was that like it was great because I doom scrolling बंद, बढ़िया 9 घंटा सो रही हूँ. It really healed me, I think, those months. And then the next bad effect it had, I'll tell you all in 2024, क्योंकि 2024 में मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ कि ओ माय गॉड, उस बात का मेरे को इतना इफेक्ट हुआ और मैंने छोड़ दिया, और फिर उसका ये इफेक्ट हुआ. अभी धीरे धीरे पहुंचेंगे. So I've left Instagram for the rest of 2023. We've also moved into this house, so now I'm finally, after 1.5 years, not living out of boxes. Okay, I have like a nice room, there's storage, it's nice. So I spent a lot of time, carefully curating this room, which I want to do like it's a very very tiny room, guys. My room is very chotu, but every corner like I've made with love. और मैंने सब कुछ खुद खरीदा है. मैंने अपनी लाइफ का पहला बेड खरीदा, मैंने अपनी लाइफ का पहला मैट्रेस खरीदा, टेबल, ये सब कुछ मैंने खुद लिया है. तो टीवी सब कुछ. तो आई एम वेरी अटैच्ड. कर्टन्स, मैंने अपनी लाइफ के पहले अच्छे फैंसी पर्दे खरीदे. ओके, बट इन एनी केस अच्छा अच्छा हो रहा है लाइफ में. मैं गुड़ गोबर तो करना ही है मुझे, है ना. मैंने डिसाइड किया कि हाँ, तो क्या हो गया कि अगर मैं 12 साल मेडिकल कॉलेज नहीं गई हूँ, तो मुझे तो अपने डॉक्टर से ज़्यादा बेटर पता ही है ना, क्योंकि मैं तो स्मार्ट हूँ, मैं तो दुनिया की सबसे स्मार्ट लड़की हूँ. फिर मैंने एक बहुत डम चीज़ की. अब मुझे ये नहीं आता है वेदर इट वॉज द एंड ऑफ 2023 और द बिगिनिंग ऑफ 2024, बट आई हैड टू गो टू अ वेडिंग इन लाइक आई डोंट नो 3 weeks और समथिंग. एंड आई न्यू वहाँ पे सारे दोस्त बहुत जम के दारू पीने वाले हैं. एंड तब तक मैं इतनी डिसिप्लिन थी कि हाँ ठीक है, अब कुछ मिक्स नहीं करूँगी मैं, क्योंकि मुझे पता है मिक्स करने से क्या होता है. बट मैं इतनी वाइज नहीं हुई थी कि मुझे इतनी अकल हो कि अपने डॉक्टर की बात माननी चाहिए. ठीक है, मुझे लगता था मैं तो स्मार्टेस्ट हूँ, सब गधे हैं. तो आई डिड दिस रियली डम थिंग. मैंने कुछ एक बहुत ही डम सा मैथ बिठाया कि ओके, आज every alternate day I'm gonna take my anti-anxiety, and then every alternate day I'm gonna take my antidepressant. I was supposed to take both together 3 times a day or 2 times a day, something like that. But I was like, ऐसे alternate करूँगी और फिर 4 दिन ये करने के बाद 2-2 दिन का गैप दे दूँगी, तो मैं ऐसे फेज आउट कर लूँगी. इतनी जल्दी नहीं होती है फेज आउट मेडिकेशन. और ये बिल्कुल मतलब कुछ नहीं, केमिस्ट्री का कुछ नहीं पता है, ये कुछ डम सा कर लिया था मैंने, जस्ट सो दैट आई कैन ड्रिंक विद दोज पीपल. Now, mind you, I also don't enjoy drinking. Like the last year or so, I've barely drank, and the last 6 months I've not touched a drop of alcohol. Yay, I love it. I don't like alcohol. But in any case, तब in 2023 end और 2024 beginning, इस शादी पे जाना है, तो मैं ये डम चीज़ कर रही हूँ कि मैं फेज आउट कर रही हूँ. अब ये जो 2 हफ्ते का मैंने बहुत स्मार्ट सा फेज आउट किया, उसका कुछ इमीडिएट इफेक्ट नहीं हुआ, क्योंकि कभी कभी ये चीज़ें एकदम इमीडिएटली अफेक्ट नहीं करती हैं, स्पेशली समथिंग लाइक ज़ैपिस विच स्टेज इन योर बॉडी ओके फॉर लॉन्गर, वेयर्स ऑफ थोड़ा धीरे धीरे कंपेयर टू Xanax विच इज़ फास्ट एक्टिंग. ओके, तो शादी पे इट वॉज ओके, ऑल्दो लाइक the drinking experience was weird because the drunkenness felt very different and a lot more loopy than regular drunkenness feels for me. I'm also very lightweight when it comes to alcohol, but in any case it was not like there was something off, but I was just around people, I couldn't tell like what was happening. So once I come back from that wedding and all, I realized that कुछ नहीं हुआ, थोड़ा सा लूपी सा ड्रंकननेस था, और मैं कर सकती हूँ फेज आउट, मैंने तो कर लिया. उसके बाद मैंने डिसाइड किया दैट आई एम जस्ट नॉट गोना शो अप फॉर माई चेकअप. सो बाय दैट टाइम आई हैव बीन ऑन मेडिकेशन रफली फॉर लाइक 10 months, क्लोज टू अ ईयर. एंड आई वाज लाइक या, सो पहले तो द डॉक्टर यूज्ड टू कॉल मी एवरी वीक, ओके, बिकॉज they're giving you strong medications, they want to make sure that it's suiting you. Kuch side effects on your eye, maybe you need to switch to something different, like a different salt composition, something. So they call you very often. Then in like a month or month and a half, when they know that okay, you're starting to like get used to that medication, it वो थोड़ा frequency change हो जाता है. Checkups are like 2 weeks. So by this time my checkups were like for 3 weeks या 3.5 weeks ऐसा कुछ. मैंने डिसाइड किया अब मैं नहीं जाऊंगी. I don't, क्योंकि अब तो मैं ठीक हूँ ना. अब तो मुझे मरने का मन नहीं करता. अब तो मैं 8 घंटे सोती भी हूँ. अब तो मैं खुश रहती हूँ. मुझे ना चाहिए. Guys, I think I exist on YouTube just so that I can tell y'all what not to do. Okay, a couple of years ago it used to be don't bleach your hair 17 times. Now I'm telling you real talk, don't phase out your medication. I know it feels very like हमें तो सब पता है बट हमें नहीं पता है. जब तक हमने वो पढ़ा नहीं है ना. पता है यही मेरी लाइफ की सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम थी गाइस, और ये एक्सेप्ट करने में मुझे बहुत टाइम लग गया दैट आई एक्चुअली डोंट नो शिट. बिकॉज ऑफ आर ईगोज, नो, वी फील लाइक या आई नो इट ऑल. मुझे पता है, मुझे मत बताओ. ठीक है, बी इट टू पेरेंट्स और लाइक बी इट टू एनीबडी. हमें पता है बट हमें एक्चुअली कुछ नहीं पता है. क्या ही पता है भाई, इंसानों को कुछ नहीं पता है. ठीक है, एंड मैं लीड कर रही हूँ वो लाइन. नहीं पता था मुझे. सो या यू कैन डाई इफ यू डू दैट. अगेन as I said, don't like stop taking your mental health medication, because imagine dude, actually some things like picking you out of that baseline. If you suddenly go cold turkey, you're gonna absolutely drop down into that, or it could have like various other consequences, nausea, vomiting, headache, seizures, कुछ भी हो सकता है. So please go in and give that last consultation fee to your doctor. Even if you're thinking आपको नहीं चाहिए medication, एकदम डॉक्टर के पास जाओ और एकदम दिल खोल के ऑनेस्टली उनको बताओ मुझे ऐसा ऐसे फील हो रहा है, मुझे नहीं चाहिए medication. अगर आपको genuinely phase out भी करना है, they'll give you a safe way to phase out. बिकॉज हम तो डम सा एक ऐसे सब्जी भाजी जैसा मैथ लगा लेते हैं ना, बट ऐसा नहीं है. समटाइम्स मे बी इफ यूर ऑन 2 mg you need to be put on 1 mg for a while, and then 0.5, like the strength needs to reduce, like it could be anything. So please talk to your professional. I understand there are doctors out there who just want to make some bucks and will push you to stay on medication. अगर आपको ऐसा फील हो रहा है, get a second opinion, okay, but just don't do that to yourself because you truly can die. मतलब withdrawal की वजह से आप नहीं मर जाओगे. द ओनली विथड्रॉल दैट किल्स यू आई थिंक इज अल्कोहल. बट विथड्रॉल की वजह से यू कैन फॉल इनटू लाइक द डेप्थ्स ऑफ डार्कनेस व्हेन इट कम्स टू लाइक योर थॉट्स एंड इमोशंस दैट कैन कॉज सुसाइडल टेंडेंसीज. सो प्लीज जस्ट बी स्मार्ट. मैं बता रही हूँ ना, ट्रस्ट करो मुझे थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, गो टू योर डॉक्टर. बट मैंने नहीं किया. 2 महीने मैंने सोचा कि हाँ, तो मैंने आज लाइक अब मैं नहीं जाऊँगी. एंड माई पेरेंट्स यूज्ड टू कीप टेलिंग मी कि लाइक चली जाओ. क्योंकि ऐसा कुछ हुआ कि आफ्टर आई स्टॉप टेकिंग माई मेडिकेशन, द 2 months आफ्टर दैट वर हॉरेबल. एंड एज आई सेड, लाइक वैक्यूम में नहीं हो रहा था ये सब मेरी लाइफ में, उसके हर जगह रैमिफिकेशंस थे. ओके, सो आई यूज्ड टू हैव लाइक रियली बैड फाइट्स विद माई पेरेंट्स, एंड देन वंस आई वुड काम डाउन, बिकॉज they only want the best for me, right? Obviously. So like after I would calm down, my mother or my father would come to me and they'd be like, you know what, let's go to your doctor again, you know, maybe they'll be able to help, you'll feel a little calmer. Very constructive. But मुझे वो सुन के इतनी तेज गुस्सा आ जाता था, because I just used to be like, क्या आपको लगता है कि मैं पागल हूँ क्या? मैं बिना मेडिकेशन के रह नहीं सकती. Bad times. तो वो 2 महीने somehow पास होते हैं 2024 के, और फिर लाइफ इज़ बेटर. बिकॉज नो मैटर बाई दिस टाइम, क्योंकि मैंने 10 महीने 1 साल मेडिकेशन लिया है, 2-3 चीज़ें ऐसी फंडामेंटल चीज़ें ऐसी फिक्स हो चुकी थी मेरी लाइफ में विच रियली हेल्प मी. अ बिग वन वॉज माई स्लीप साइकिल. Guys, when I tell you sleeping on time, getting ample rest, eating on time, eating good stuff, less screen time, all of these things are actual pillars to a healthy life. Straight up facts, no cap. Okay. So by that time, no matter what was happening, even though 2 महीने मैंने मेडिसिन नहीं ली, कोल्ड टर्की कर दिया, फिर भी भगवान की दया, that's why I'm so grateful यार, because I could have gone completely bonkers in those 2 months, but I did, but at least my sleep cycle was not affected. So regardless, I go into 2024 like March or something, March or April or something, still having an intact sleep cycle. I would still fall asleep at 11, 10:30 sometimes, and then automatically without an alarm wake up at 7. Now this helped me a lot. Yeah, it helped me a lot. Sorry. Yeah, so grateful. Now in 2024, I also stepped foot after I've left my medication, step foot in a gym for the first time in my life, because my company used to be really like, you know, cool. वो हमको बढ़िया सा एक elite का वो देते, cult का एक वो देते थे membership. So I stepped foot in the gym, and now it's fabulous, guys. I'm getting sleep. I'm working out. Working out really helps me, yaar. It really helps me, which is sad that now I'm not able to do it because I don't have money. but like, but there's so much that I can do. There's a tennis court right outside my house. There's a badminton court piche wale lane mein. I go for walks with Kulfi. There's so much more I can do. I have dumbbells and everything, but I don't do it regularly. But every alternate day मैं कुछ कुछ कर लेती हूँ, but इसको और better बना सकती हूँ मैं. Yes, I can do this. Please मुझसे पूछना अगले वीडियो में whether I'm working out or not. Okay, I need to be held accountable. But yeah, I'm in the gym now. And I want to say this, guys, 2024, despite the off start it had, where I decided to become a doctor with no degree, 2024 was like the best year that I've had in the last, I don't know how many years. Genuinely, I was glowing. Physically, mentally, spiritually, I was just lovely. Really good time. Yeah, genuinely good time. 2024 is also the year when I start like touching that above and beyond employee wala potential of mine. Okay, isse pehle when I came back home in 2023, I was doing the bare minimum enough to not get fired. But by 2024, things are so sorted in life that I'm also, looking forward to work. Although the team that I was in was garbage, and I genuinely, like, every day when I was on the treadmill, I don't know, 10 incline for 25 minutes. I was like, I just need a better team. I need a better team. I need a better team. So I manifested it, which we'll come to later. But yeah, 2024 was great. I was motivated at work. So ऐसा कुछ होता है that in 2024, नहीं उससे पहले एक और चीज़ होती है, wait. 2024 is going great, but because I've been off of Instagram and obviously YouTube now for so long, that I've somehow decided that like YouTube is not for me. Like अब तो seal डली है final, YouTube is not for me. अब तो मुझे career woman बनना है, और मैंने पता नहीं क्यों ऐसा एक अजीब सा गोल बना लिया था. नहीं, अजीब नहीं था. My goal was that okay, I'm gonna reach the C-suite of my company. Okay, so I'm gonna work hard, and that's why I started working hard in 2024, or at least mid 2024 के बाद, like I was like working really hard at it. Okay, I also dated this weird like misogynistic guy from Ghaziabad, but I couldn't tolerate him for longer than like a month and a half. That's my thing, man. My longest relationship with a woman has been 5 years, 5.5 years. With a dude, I just cannot tolerate them for longer than 2 months. Three max I've gone is 4 months. I cannot. बट इन एनी केस उसकी भी मैंने बहुत हेकड़ी निकाली थी, बहुत हर्टफुल चीज़ें बोल के, बट वो डिज़र्व करता था. बनाऊंगी मैं उसके बारे में, मैं तो आपको पूरा पढ़ाऊंगी मैंने उसको क्या क्या गंदा गंदा बोला था, और उसने क्या क्या बोला था. बट अभी नहीं, अभी वो बिल्कुल मतलब NPC है वो मेरी लाइफ में. ठीक है, तो आई डेट हिम, बट लाइक चल चल हट, मेरा कॉर्टिसोल हाई हो रहा है. ठीक है, फिर इन बिकॉज नाउ आई एम सो मोटिवेटेड, एवरीथिंग्स गोइंग ग्रेट, देन इन टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ 2024 I get to give this presentation, okay, to somebody who's a C-suite member of my former company. C-suite बोले तो like बहुत ऊपर, मतलब मेरे लेवल से there are like 7 levels of reporting between him and I. He's super senior even in the industry. Okay, he's done like some magnificent things. Now somehow I get to give him a pitch deck of like a couple of ideas I have for this magazine that I'm at that point an editorial coordinator of. Okay, and towards the end of 2024, like November, December, he was visiting India from the New York headquarters, and I got to give him this presentation. It didn't amount to anything in November or December. I didn't hear back, but I'm so grateful. In February of 2025, now we're in 2025, my birthday week, actually, I hear from them and they're like, so you're getting promoted to editor of the magazine. Now editorial coordinator or editor mein difference hai. Editorial coordinator, as the name suggests, coordinates things for the piece. Okay, whether the art team has added graphics to the article, whether it's backlink properly, SEO is right or not, little like post publishing checks like that. Okay, and editor does a lot of like meaty stuff. Okay, pre publishing. And to be very honest, and this is something that I'll probably make later, like delve into later in life also, to be very honest, I did not feel like I was the right candidate for that position because I don't feel confident when it comes to my editorial judgment. मैं बहुत जल्दी जल्दी बोलती हूँ, इसलिए कुछ लोगों को लगता है चालू हैज़ गुड इंग्लिश, बट इफ़ यू hear me, my grammar is extremely off. Extremely off. A couple of vlogs ago, I said this thing. I was cleaning my table and I said something like, I'm cleaning my table so that I can sit on my table and do things. On my table? I'm gonna sit on my table? No. You're supposed to sit at your table. So little things like that, my grammar's really off, but I got again very lucky. I was working with a senior editor from the States who was incredibly compassionate and willing to teach. And I know that those months when she had to guide me were very hard on her because my learning curve was extremely sharp. Sharp bole to matlab I had a lot to learn, but so grateful. But yeah, despite me feeling like I'm not the right candidate for this, I was like, okay, the opportunity has presented itself. The last 4 months, I've looked at this one wall in my gym and manifested one thing, which is to get out of this team, because the team that I was in 2023, 2024, actually since 2022 up until 2025, was a soul sucking team. And we had a great manager up until mid of 2023, and then management changed. And then something that I'll talk about later, and when I make a video on my office people, I've realized I need to make a video on a lot of other people from office other than this evil boss. They deserve to be talked about. Simply because I'll tell you why. Okay, छोटा सा anecdote दे देती हूँ मैं. These people, okay, two people are married, but like one of them was fucking somebody else up until like 3 days before her wedding. And then there's somebody who's doing coke off of the table in the conference room, and then they have the audacity to tell me not to smoke weed. And shit like that. Everybody bitches about everybody behind their back, and then when I go and stand between them, मेरी शक्ल बन जाती है because I just don't know how to react. They're like, yeah, so Shalu doesn't actually know how to read social cues, does she? Bitch, your moral compass is like a fucking Maggie. Shut the fuck up. So now I'm gonna talk about everybody, but no names. But हाँ मैं बनाऊंगी video. But yeah, management changed, and then the atmosphere and everybody. I have written proof of everybody hating on this, but it was just a very toxic team to be a part of, and I hated working, which is why towards the end of 2024, I was doing a lot of work, but also like not. As like ये बाकी हैं ये करेंगे, मैं बस जाके हर मीटिंग में ही हु करूँगी. I have to admit to that, right? मैंने किया है ये. But yeah, I had a completely different goal. I was all the work that I was doing was outside my team to make sure that I get out, and I did achieve that. Great, pat on the back. But in 2025, I start with this role as an editor. Okay, same company. I switched like 4 teams in the same company. So lucky that they allowed this to happen over 6 years. But in any case, 2025 starting is very hectic. I stopped going to the gym because I'm working at this point like some 14 hours a day. They are not making me work. A regular seasoned editor would take 30 minutes to edit something. It would take me 2.5 hours to edit that same paragraph because I have to read everything multiple times. Because, of course, I'm not good at it, right? At all. I'm still learning. So, I was working like some 14, 15 hours in the initial months of 2025 up until May, maybe. But learning experience, very happy it happened. फिर ऐसा होता है मई में that I'm exhausted after like 3-4 months of like working non-stop, that I'm looking for a quick fix again. So stupid, man. I feel like every time a man has come into my life, it's because I'm looking for a quick fix. What does that say about me? Chee. But I'm glad I'm talking about it. नहीं करूँगी अब से मैं ऐसा. But yeah, I'm looking for a quick fix, or I download like Hinge or Bumble or something, and I meet this dude who genuinely, Mike सीधा है ना, I feel like this guy, like the relationship I got in like 2025, this was I feel like my first like serious thing after my ex-girlfriend. That's what I feel. I was genuinely like, my heart felt very real things. It's too bad that this guy ended up lying to me after I told him on the first date that I hate liars. Too bad that he lied to me. Too bad that I beat him up for it. I'm laughing because like, how could I stoop so low, man? But yes, I'm not going to tell you what I did. I'm also not going to give you any justifications. Please sit with the fact that I am a horrible person who can hit people unprovoked. Sit with that, no justification, for a couple of months. I'll tell you all later. If somebody comes up to you and tells you Shalu beats people up, you are free to believe that, you are free to hate me for it, you're free to tell like 20 other people. Um, no justifications. Yeah, but that happened. Gee, yaar. But I'm glad I have grown from that and a lot of learning. Okay, एक और चीज़ हुई थी 2024 के end में last year. Um, somehow I start reading the Bhagavad Gita. Okay, so भगवान की entry, I got a random call, crazy. But भगवान की entry होती है मेरी life में in 2024. I start reading the Bhagavad Gita. Now I've always been like a spiritual person. ऑलवेज मतलब मुझे पता था ये सब रिलीजन बस अलग अलग पैकेजिंग है. सो मेन तो लाइट तो एक ही है. सब सेम ही है, मुझे पता था बचपन से. बट फॉर सम रीजन मे बी बिकॉज ऑफ द पोलिटिकल एटमोसफियर इन द कंट्री और आई डोंट नो वॉट, मे बी लाइक द कटर पीपल ऑफ एनी रिलीजन दैट हु आई वुड एनकाउंटर और लिसन टू, ऐसा है कि ये रिलीजियस टेक्स्ट से थोड़ा दूर रहना पड़ेगा बिकॉज दैट्स व्हाट दे यूज टू लाइक जस्टिफाई देयर बिहेवियर, राइट. बट समहाउ and thank you, I start reading the Bhagavad Gita towards the end of 2024. अब पूरी ख़त्म नहीं की है. Throughout 2025 I read it a little bit. So 2024 में like ऐसे भगवान की एंट्री होती. भगवान थे हमेशा, बट मैंने देखा उनको पहली बार. वो मुझे देख रहे थे बट मैंने उनको पहली बार देखा. अब उन तक चल के जाने में मुझे टाइम लगा और आई थिंक मैं अभी भी पहुंची नहीं हूँ, बस चल रही हूँ उन तक, ठीक है. बट आई कीप गेटिंग क्लोजर. हाँ, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है यार ये माई रिलेशनशिप विद गॉड एंड लाइट एंड सोर्स. आई टेल यू वन डे इन माई पॉडकास्ट. बट ऐसे एंट्री हो गई बिकॉज आई स्टार्ट रीडिंग द भगवद गीता. देन कट टू 2025, आई एम डेटिंग दिस डूड एंड लाइक ही pisses me off, I beat him up. And after this incident, like it takes a toll on me. And that's when I think, because I just hate myself so much for no justification. Fuck it. 2025 में I become more like I really understand like the concept of ego and like when you hold on to shame, like the things it does to you. How do you break from that cycle of like doing bad things to yourself and to other people? ये सब मैंने बहुत better सीखा in 2025. And then 2024 में मैंने एक और वीडियो भी डाला था, I think. Oh, did I missed out on telling you all so many things. तो वो जो मेरी दोस्त थी, cool badass दोस्त, जिसने बोला था कि तुम attention के लिए करती हो क्या, तो उसका एक तो फ़ायदा ये हुआ था that everything like I was just able to heal in peace without social media. But what those like 8-9 months of not being on social media did to me is that it also seeped a lot of doubt into my mind more than ever before. So in 2024 when I tried to like shoot something kabhi to kuch to ek, before I decided no, this is not for me, I cringed at myself and I looked at myself. I was like, okay, this is horrible. Simply because I was just not used to seeing myself on the camera and like I was not used to talking to the camera. So मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस बहुत ही लो हो गया था क्योंकि मैंने एक इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी भी नहीं बनाई थी इन लाइक ऑलमोस्ट अ ईयर. यू नो व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो दैट्स हाउ इट impacted me also really badly, whatever she said. But and 2024 में, सॉरी थोड़ा बैक एंड फोर्थ जा रहे हैं, ना समझ आए तो बताना, आई विल आंसर इन द Q&A. In 2024 ऐसा भी होता है that like okay, I cringe at myself after looking at myself and I'm like fuck it, this is not for me. Then I get a thing from YouTube that hey listen, you've been inactive for like almost a year now, if you don't post we're gonna demonetize your channel. It was monetized, my channel's been monetized for like years now. And I read that email and I remember I'll do something about it. But then I just didn't care enough or just didn't feel like, okay, this was something that I needed to look into. That like later in 2024, my channel got demonetized. I make 0 rupees off of anything. And y'all, in a very weird way, I think that's exactly what pushed me to like step back into 15-year-old Shalu wala phase and mindset where again I was not making any money. I was just doing it for the fun of it. So now I'm now dhire dhire I started coming back in 2024 into that headspace and I was like fuck it yaar, अब तो पूरा फन के लिए, अब तो पैसे का टेंशन ही नहीं लेना. वैसे ही मैं कमा रही हूँ 1.5 के आसपास, मैं क्यों मतलब salary plus like random projects. 1.5 is not enough, guys. Although I don't know what is enough, who knows. I have a very weird thought process on money now. But हाँ ठीक ठाक डिसेंट कमाती थी मैं पैसे तब, ठीक है. सो वाज लाइक फन के लिए करते हैं. सो इन 2024 एंड, after my channel gets demonetized, I post my tattoo tour video, which was like this little ray of hope, ray of sunshine for me. Um, and that just made me feel like, yeah, you know what, maybe I can do this again. So then in 2025, after the relationship, after all the upheavals, after getting slightly closer to God, I'm in this headspace that, okay, you know what, maybe I've not made anything in like, again, a whole year. 20 tattoo tour के बाद कुछ नहीं डाला. But then I was like, नहीं, tattoo tour के बाद एक और कुछ तो डाला था. फिर उसके बाद मैं I got caught up or something. But then in 2025, एट द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड है कि हाँ वीडियो डालूंगी, लेकिन फोर फ्रंट पे ये है कि मैं अब सी स्वीट मेंबर बनूंगी बाई 40. लाइफ का गोल है ये, ठीक है. बट देन इन अक्टूबर आई get laid off along with like 100, almost 100 other people from the India team. And pehle to I was extremely shocked because I was like, I've been working for this company for 6.5, like 6 years. Like well, I was not supposed to be laid off. But then very quickly it made sense, because of course if the company is not doing well financially, why would they keep, like, what is this entitlement that I deserve a job? It did not make sense to me, and I very quickly like adapted to that. And I my sister offered a very good perspective. She was like, just because you don't have kids and you don't have people depending on you, that's why it's so easy for you to take this news easy. Because I was telling her, like, why are people like going on Reddit and like shitting on the company? And then she was like, yeah, because you have no dependencies. Imagine if you had EMIs, or like if you had to actually pay rent, which by the way, I still pay rent. Up until like मार्च ऑफ दिस ईयर आई पेड रेंट टू माई पेरेंट्स, जो मैंने बताया था पार्ट 1 या पार्ट 2 में. ओके, अब नहीं देती हूँ मैं, बिकॉज मेरे पास है ही नहीं पैसा देने का. मेरे पास एसेट्स हैं, बट मैं मैं गोल्ड नहीं बेचना चाहती हूँ अपना, समझ रहे हो. तो इन एनी केस बाद में कर दूंगी मैं पे उनको. बट या, I was privileged enough to take it chill. But I was applying. Also, things with this boy ended in like September, if I'm gonna be honest. Like from my heart, it ended in September, but I kept prolonging it. I'll tell you all in detail when I make a video on him later. Okay. But yeah, I'm laid off now. This man's also broken my heart. He's also like, a liar and stuff like that. So it was the perfect ground to like go back to pills. And I feel like I did tell him also, listen, you made me so sad, I feel like fucking popping Zans again. But by this time, by God's grace, I was at a stage where like I fully knew exactly what substances can do to you. And the fact that like something you pick up as a crutch or something, if you give it power, if you give anything the power to be a solution, it could be a positive thing also. It can drag you down. People बहुत ज़्यादा जिम करके भी, इंजरी करके भी लाइफ लॉन्ग इंजरी करा लेते हैं यार. People who do no substances and just like enjoy their social circle, वो भी excess में हो जाता है कभी कभी, and it can cause issues in your life. So I feel like I'll talk about this a little more आगे, but I feel like anything that you think is a solution outside of you can harm you. The only thing that you should seek is like within. Everything you seek is within. Genuinely, that's what I learned. So luckily, despite like all of these situations, I was okay. I was mentally really okay. And yeah, I was applying. So October I got laid off. Up until December, I remember I did like a whole 2-month 4-round process for like a product manager role at my former company. एंड बहुत लंबा खिंचा वो इंटरव्यू. एंड अगर मेरा वो हो जाता, योर माई सैलरी आफ्टर टैक्सेस वुड हैव बीन लाइक अराउंड 2 a month. इतना तो होता उस पोजिशन में. बट इन Feb of this year 2026 I found out that in Jan they told me they're putting it on hold, and then in Feb they told me that they're doing re-interview for it or something like that. And after that, I also stopped applying anywhere. I wasn't actually, except this one position, I barely applied anywhere. Like 2 or 3 other places I didn't get through. And then this one, which looked very promising, went on for like 3 months, and then they told me, nah. So in Feb of this year, I decided I'm gonna do YouTube again. That's how your girl came back after 5 years of doing zigzag zoog. I'm finally where I wanna be. And yeah, I've caught you guys up on what's been up. If you have any questions, let me know. Now, I quickly wanted to talk about a couple of learnings I've had, okay? I don't know how long this video is. Itne bits mein ho gaya ye, but I'm sorry. I wanted this to be 30 minutes long. How could it be 30 minutes long? Huh? I'm working on a format though, because I got so annoyed the last time, like when I was editing the last part, the second part. It's close to 2 hours long, and it just, why do you guys listen to me? But trust me, like when you comment things like हमने पूरा वीडियो देखा है, हमने तुम्हारी पूरी बात सुनी, it just heals like a part of my heart that you all don't even know. Like it just heals so much in me, guys. So please comment किया करो, like किया करो, उससे मुझे पता लगता है that you like it. Okay. But my learnings, the first thing, okay, no matter what situation, you are always in power to change your life and make your reality exactly what you want it to be. And now कोई बोलेगा ऐसे natural disaster हो गया, उसमें आप how do you have the power? Sometimes the actual true final boss power is acceptance. Just like accepting it and not feeling any like inner turmoil or resistance for the things that are happening to you or around you. Guys, it's so freeing because of course you can't. भगवान तुम कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो, मतलब it's a very fun mix between like what you can do and what God wants to happen in your life. God, universe, whatever. ऐसा मत सोचना मैं बहुत religious हो गई हूँ. I'm just connecting to something, okay? I don't know how to explain it. But you can, okay, maybe this is a better way to say it. You always have the power to do the best with what you're given. आपकी पॉकेट में अगर 50 रुपए हैं, ठीक है, बहुत रैंडम एग्जाम्पल है, बट 50 रुपए हैं, डू द बेस्ट विद दैट 50. अगर आपकी आज एनर्जी लेवल 100 की जगह 25 है, डू द बेस्ट विद दैट 25. प्रायोरिटाइज इन सच अ वे दैट लाइक यू हैव द बेस्ट आउटपुट एंड यू कैन ऑलवेज डू दैट. Okay, don't lie to yourself. Second, taking accountability. I feel like for the longest time in my life, I was looking to blame others. This evil boss, this rapper boyfriend, this like friend who said like mean things to me and stuff. And why? Accountability low, और ये सोचो कि भाई the only reason I let their words affect me is because I don't know, there was a void in me that like I took their words and filled it with. Don't let it. Very easy to say. 5 साल लग गए मुझे करने में, तो मैं of course like I know it's easy to say, but maybe if you watch me for a while we'll do it together. But yeah, at least I've realized all of these things. Take accountability for everything. If somebody cheats you, if somebody lies to you, take accountability that like you let them. Or like even if you feel like you did your absolute best and they still did that to you, take accountability that like you can cut them off and you can be fine. You know, उस type से बोल रही हूँ मैं. So that. Another thing that I wanted to talk about is the linear progression of non-linear progression of growth. Growth is never like एक दिन आपने डिसाइड कर लिया. मूवी नहीं है, मतलब मूवी से बहुत सिमिलर सी चीज़ होती है, I'll tell you. But it's not like one day you decide and your graph just goes up, 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 and you're only getting better every day, better every day. ऐसे नहीं होता है. It's like a movie in the sense, at least for me, that's what it was for me. I decided one day when I got on medication that listen, I'm not gonna do this shit again, ever again. Okay, when it comes to pills especially. So I still have this strip of Xanax जिसमें एक last Xan बची हुई है, and I carry it around all the time. I've had it, it's expired, but I carry it around just to remind myself that like the next time I give something power over me, this is how far below the earth it can drag me. Okay, so linear nahi hai. Even after I decided that okay, I'm gonna get better and stuff, the next day I was worse. I was sadder than I've been in 3 months. But the next day I was a little better than the last week. The next day I was a bit better. The next day I was a little worse. The next day I was a bit better. So the graph goes something like this. It fluctuates, but eventually it's going up only. समझ रहे हो? उस type का graph है. So don't, be like, हाँ, I'm supposed to eat healthy, but मैंने आज कचौड़ी खा ली, तो अब तो क्या ही फ़ायदा, अब मैं गोबर ही खाऊंगी जाके. Okay, don't do that to yourself, because that's what happens with me. At least like when I was going to the gym, if I wouldn't like go one day, I was like, okay, I fucked it up. No, don't like take that shame onto your head, okay? Because if you don't let go of shame and you don't like acknowledge the fact that it's not linear. Growth is you have to show up every day, every minute you get a new chance, bro. Be grateful for that. Okay, gratitude, super important. But like, what was I saying? Point क्या था मेरा? नॉन लिनियर ग्रोथ के बाद मैंने एक और चीज़ बोली थी कि हर दिन आप बेटर हो सकते हो. नहीं यार, कुछ और बोल रही थी मैं, एकदम से ही भूल गई अपना पॉइंट. ग्रैटिट्यूड से पहले क्या बोल रही थी मैं? शिट मैन. In any case, gratitude, let's talk about gratitude. I feel so much gratitude. बचपन में मुझे लगता था मेरे साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है, मेरी फैमिली के साथ ही क्यों हो रहा है. I'm so glad everything happened the exact way it did. There's not a single thing I want to change about my life. Dude, imagine, okay? What if I gave like this like rapper type ka boyfriend a chance when I was like, I don't know, married with one kid with with this rapper dude, and then he cheats on me, and then I'm like, and then he comes and lies to me, nahi nahi, I'll be with you, and then I'm like, okay, yes yes, and then I have another kid with him. Imagine, dude, how shitty would life. I mean, I'm not shitting on anybody who's done that, but I'm just saying, like, things could be a lot worse. Things could be, I could have died. First of all, I could have been dead. I could not be making this video. So glad I'm alive. Thank you for giving me this chance. Then after you see people's reality or whatever it is, or like something happens that you don't like, be so grateful. Thank you for showing me this. Your universe, thank you for showing me the reality of this person. You've given me an opportunity and a choice now to either walk away or continue with this, or like pick another option, whatever it is. But thank you so much. Because see, imagine if I didn't date that rapper dude then. Okay, how would I like have this sixth sense that I do now? दैट लाइक अच्छा, अगर उसका फॉलोइंग लिस्ट ऐसे गर्ल्स हॉस्टल जैसा दिख रहा है, चाहे वो कितनी भी मीठी बातें बोले, वो इसी टाइप का इंसान है. बिकॉज दैट्स फैक्ट्स. दिस वाइट डूड अर्लियर दिस ईयर वाज ट्राइंग टू लाइक ट्रिक मी into believing that, hey listen, you're the only girl I talk to and stuff like that, and his actions, nothing would match up. And if this rapper incident hadn't happened with me, how could I tell that, listen, he's just being like a weird playboy type of person, like get him out? I wouldn't be able to. इसके अलावा, हाँ यार, like I mean, imagine if my substance abuse did not happen at 25 and instead happened at like, I don't know, 40. Like say if I got laid off at 40 for the first time, and I'm just super sad and I have that substance abuse, then कहाँ जाती life यार? मतलब of course it wouldn't be so bad either. There's always something. All defeat until death is psychological. Remember that. Okay? कुछ ना कुछ तब भी figure out हो जाता. But am I not in a much better place now? Am I at a place where like no matter what happens in life, I don't think I'll ever go to a substance to like elevate my pain. Like I know that the relief that comes from taking a long walk with Kulfi, or like going to the gym, or like eating like good stuff, the relief that comes is so much more long lasting and like authentic and more calming than a substance. Although, you know, guys, I think about it, and not to manifest it, but like कभी कभी मैं सोचती हूँ कि I think I'm at risk for substance abuse. Like if Kulfi dies, or if like one of my parents dies, I think I'm gonna lose my shit. But I'm gonna try my best. So हाँ भाई, be super grateful for like everything that happens, because it teaches you shit, right? I just used to be like really mad at myself for like the type of people. Oh my god, this shit sucks, man. I just used to be really mad at myself for like the type of friends I was surrounded with, and I kept surrounding myself with all these years. Kabhi kabhi out of choice, kabhi kabhi like because they're just there and I'm just, but no. I had to just cut ties with so many people. So many people cut ties with me. Thank you so much. I'm gonna talk about all of it later. But I'm so glad that I finally, now I'm at a stage in my life, I don't take anybody's shit. I do no harm, take no shit. Okay. Speaking of taking no shit, दिस इज़ द लास्ट थिंग आई से. उसके बाद वीडियो एंड करते हैं. उसके बाद कुछ भी होगा तो कमेंट्स में बोलना, हम Q&A में डिस्कस करेंगे, या तो आगे की वीडियोस में हम धीरे धीरे एक्सप्लोर करेंगे साथ में. बट आई गॉट दिस वन कमेंट ऑन माय लास्ट वीडियो in which I think I've used the word retard maybe like 3 4 times or something, and I got this comment from an account that I've never seen on my channel before. The comment goes something like, don't use the word retard, it's ableist. Now, the last learning that came out of this whole 5 year long experience is that I don't give a fuck. I am not afraid of anything, bro. I'm not afraid of cancellation, social cancellation. I'm not afraid of being broke. I'm not afraid of being misunderstood by people. I'm not afraid of anything. Being alone, I'm not afraid of anything. And the reason why I'm joining these two points together is because let's not be ableist. ये जो मैं ऐसी बच्ची थी guys, I swear to God. कॉलेज में तो मैं बहुत ज़्यादा, मैं हर कमेंट सेक्शन में नीचे मैं लड़ती हुई दिख जाऊंगी आपको किसी कट्टर इंसान के साथ. नो वेट, व्हाट डू यू मीन हिंदू मुस्लिम इज रियल? इट्स नॉट रियल. हाउ डू यू नॉट रिकॉग्नाइज द वैल्यू ऑफ ह्यूमन लाइफ? दिस इज नॉट राइट. ऐसे अपना मतलब एलएसआर का लिंगो थोप दूंगी मैं उनके ऊपर. सोशियो कल्चरल एनालिसिस कर रही होती थी मैं कमेंट वर्ड्स में. आई हैव स्टॉप्ड डूइंग दैट. ओके. I've stopped doing that, and because I've stopped doing that, it has given me the strength to not give a shit about what somebody thinks about me. And जो कमेंट आया था वो बहुत वैलिड कमेंट था एक्चुअली, यू नो, कि लाइक ऐसी काफ़ी सारे वर्ड्स हैं जो हम यूज़ कर लेते हैं जिसका कि, जो मैंने पार्ट 1 में भी बोला था आई थिंक, जिसका कि अलग ही कॉनोटेशन है, किसी को बहुत हर्ट भी हो सकता है सुन के एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. बट द थिंग इज गाइज, at 28, and I'm speaking from my heart, okay, I genuinely know people who are so politically correct on their social media, or like when you meet them, अगर आप उनको अच्छे से नहीं जानते हो, okay, so they'll sound so politically correct, कोई गलत अनपार्लियामेंट्री वर्ड नहीं बोलेंगे. बट देन जब उनके घर पे किसी और सरनेम के लोग आते हैं, ठीक है, जो उनसे थोड़ा डिफरेंट सरनेम है, और उनकी मम्मी जब अलग चाय का कप का सेट निकालती हैं, जो बहुत फैंसी नहीं है, थोड़ा गंदा वाला चाय का कप सेट निकालती हैं, और वो देख रहे हैं, उनको समझ आ रहा है कि क्यों हो रहा है, तब मुंह नहीं खुलता है ऐसे लोगों का. ठीक है. ये उन लड़कों के साथ या उन लोगों के साथ हैंग आउट करते हैं हु हैव एक्चुअली आर वर्डेड पीपल, एंड तब मुंह नहीं खुलता है. जब गंदे गंदे जोक्स मार रहे होते हैं उनके गाय फ्रेंड्स, तब मुंह नहीं खुलता है. बहुत इंस्टेंसेस है, रास्ते में आपको छोटी सी बच्ची पिटते हुए दिख रही है, मुंह नहीं खुलेगा ऐसे लोगों का. कचरा फेंक देंगे कहीं भी. डाउरी सिस्टम में बिलीव करते हैं क्योंकि गिफ्ट है. ठीक है. बट देन व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर ऑनलाइन प्रेजेंस, they are so quick to drop a comment and like rectify people's things. Listen to me, I don't give a fuck. Y'all can think I'm a bitch who beats people up and says the R word, because I do. And y'all can hate me for it. I don't give a fuck. But that said, for my actual audience, don't think of me as complacent. Kyunki there have been times in the last 13 years when like some subscriber randomly has rolled in with, it's okay betu, has rolled in with like kulfi, no, has rolled in with like a comment. Baby, it's okay, quiet, quiet, no, quiet, kulfi, no. Some subscriber somewhere has rolled in with a very constructive comment and just pointed out something that I was maybe doing knowingly or unknowingly, and they've said it, and I've pondered upon it, and I've realized, yes, they're right. You know, I do need to change this, I do need to like improve this thing, they're right. So point is this, that if you truly are a well wisher, if I've seen like you watching for, if I've seen you watch for a long time and you have been around, I will definitely take what you say into consideration. I will ponder upon it, and I will change it. But if you're a new subscriber whose first ever comment on my channel is to like change something about me that you just hear and you think that's the person I am, you can go fuck yourself, because I'm gonna fuck. Okay. I really don't care. Y'all can think I'm problematic. I don't care. The people who know me truly know how I am with people who have mental conditions or whatever. And the fact that if I say the word retard, it doesn't make me somebody who hates on Down syndrome people. But like if you wanna hate me for that, you can please go ahead. क्योंकि मुझे genuinely अब कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, क्योंकि there are people जो कि ऑनलाइन इतने अच्छे बनते हैं और चोरी चकारी कर रहे हैं in real life. So if I'm a bitch off camera, I'm gonna be a bitch on camera, and I'm gonna, whatever the fuck I do, I beat somebody up, I'm gonna come on here, I'm gonna tell you, listen, I beat somebody up and I'm gonna beat this person up and shit like that. So मेरे से प्लीज़ सोशल नाइसनेस मत एक्सपेक्ट करना कि शालू तुम इतनी क्रूड लैंग्वेज कैसे यूज़ कर सकती हो. मेरी लैंग्वेज पता नहीं, मतलब मुझे नहीं लगता कि मैं कुत्ती कमीनी हूँ, बट आई थिंक जब ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो मैं कुत्ती कमीनी हो सकती हूँ. ये मैं ओन अप करूँगी, और जब मैं होंगी तो मैं डेफिनेटली या तो व्लॉग कर लूँगी या आपको बताऊँगी कि मैं अब बहुत ही बड़ी कुतिया बनने वाली हूँ. बट जिस तरह से मेरी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी जा रही है, बिकॉज आई रियली वांटेड टू गो टू गुड़गांव एंड बीट दिस वन इंडिविजुअल अप अ वाइल अगो, बट आई डिडंट डू दैट. जिस तरह से मेरी स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी जा रही है, आई डोंट थिंक आई विल बी रिजॉर्टिंग टू थिंग्स लाइक दैट. but if I do, you'll know about it. But हाँ, लास्ट में बस इतना ही बोलना चाह रही थी मैं कि uh, I'm I'm never going to be a version of me now just to fit in, or just to be perfect for brand deals, or just to be accepted as hip by the younger kids, or just to seem politically correct. मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, भाड़ में जाओ. If you are that person who just comes to shit on people online. If you are my regular person, you know me and I know you, and the doors are always open for communicate. Wow, very corporate line. But yeah, that was my life over the last 5 years. कुछ प्रश्न हो तो आप प्लीज मुझे कमेंट करके जरूर बताएं. एंड वेरी सैड गाइस, वेरी सैड. लास्ट एक हफ्ते से वो फ्लैट था. कुछ तो किस किसी ने काला जादू किया है. एनीवे, सी y'all. I love you. Crazy. I love you. What, you thought I forgot you or what? No, I love you, man. Love you. Take care. See you very soon. Mwah.